Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail security settings after a data breach. If your account might have been compromised, this full step-by-step guide for 2026 will help you secure your Gmail and prevent further unauthorized access. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into your Gmail account that you want to secure. Next, click Security in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to Recent Security Events. Here, you can see any suspicious logins, password changes, or app permissions that might indicate a breach. Immediately change your Gmail password. Use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Yeah, this is the most crucial step after a breach. Enable two-step verification for extra protection. This way, even if someone has your old password, they won't be able to access your account without a code or authentication. Under Your Devices, click Manage Devices. Sign out of any devices you don't recognize to block unauthorized access. Check connected apps and sites with account access. Remove any suspicious or unused apps to prevent further security risks. Run Google Security Checkup. It reviews devices, apps, and account activity and gives you recommendations to fully secure your Gmail. Update your recovery email and phone number to ensure you can regain access if anything goes wrong. This is super important after a breach. And yeah, that's how to change Gmail security settings after a data breach step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you secure your account, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.